Today, we're diving into a full review of the Beyerdynamic Amiron Wireless, a pair of over-ear headphones that promise audiophile-level sound, high comfort, and true wireless freedom. On paper, they look impressive: closed-back construction, micro-velour ear pads, touch controls, and support for high-quality Bluetooth codecs like aptX HD, aptX LL, AAC, and SBC. The frequency response is extremely wide, from 5 Hz to 40 kHz, and the battery life is rated at over 30 hours of playtime. In terms of design and build, the Amiron Wireless feels premium and solid. The headband and ear cups are very well padded, giving it a comfortable fit even during long listening sessions. At 380 grams, they're not the lightest pair, but the build quality justifies the weight. One downside is that they don't fold, so they're not the most portable option, but for home use or focused listening, they're excellent. Sound-wise, the Amiron Wireless delivers a detailed, spacious, and natural listening experience. Instead of artificially boosting the bass or treble, these headphones lean toward a balanced, realistic sound signature. The bass is warm and controlled, not overpowering. The mids are rich and natural, highlighting vocals and instruments beautifully. The treble is crisp and highly detailed, though some listeners may find the upper mids a bit sharp on certain tracks. One impressive aspect is that the sound quality stays very consistent whether you're listening wired or via Bluetooth, a big plus for audiophiles who want convenience without sacrificing fidelity. Beyerdynamic also offers sound personalization through their MIY app, which performs a hearing test and adjusts the audio profile based on your ears. It's a unique feature, though some users note that you can't completely disable the customized profile once it's active. Still, it adds a nice layer of personalization. Battery performance is another strong point. In real-world use, you can expect around 25 hours of continuous playback depending on your listening volume and codec. They also charge via USB-C, and if the battery runs out, you can simply plug in the included audio cable and keep listening without interruption. Of course, they're not perfect. Noise isolation is just average since these headphones rely on passive isolation and don't have active noise cancellation. They're not ideal for very loud environments like airplanes or public transportation. Some users also mention that the clamp force and seal can vary depending on head shape, which may affect the bass response. The MIY app can also be a bit glitchy on certain devices. Overall, the Amiron Wireless is an excellent choice for listeners who value high-fidelity sound, premium build quality, and long battery life. They're perfect for home listening, detailed music sessions, or anyone who wants audiophile sound without being tied to a cable. If you don't need active noise cancellation and prefer clarity and accuracy over heavy bass, these headphones are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more headphone reviews, tech insights, and audio gear breakdowns. Let me know in the comments which headphones you want me to review or compare next. See you in the next one.